Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Electrical Department. Today's topic is 8051 Memory Device Interfacing and Applications of the subject Digital Electronics and Microcontroller Application. Subject code is 22421. In a previous video, we done with the LED interfacing. After that, 0809 and 0808 interfacing, that is ADC and DAC interfacing. In that video, we discuss all about the interfacing and some programs. In this video, we will see the interfacing with the LED and interfacing means matrix. Keyboard is we have to see here. So let's start. This is nothing but the interfacing of 8 LEDs with the port 2. If the question is mentioned that interfacing of 8 LEDs with the port 2 or port 1, then we have to take only those port whichever mentioned in the question. So this if you see the 8 LEDs are used in each port pin. Okay. After that, Xtal 1 and Xtal 2 for the crystal oscillator, that is nothing but for the generation of the crystal frequency. Then generation of the crystal frequency. After that, here EA pin, that is nothing but the enable pin is used here. Here the port 2 is used for the interfacing of the LEDs. Then here one LED is connected, here second, here third, okay, fourth, like that 8 LEDs are connected to the all the pins of port 2. Okay. After that, here ground is connected. Then what is the program for this? So here you can see the label up. Okay, this is nothing but the loop. This is loop name, that is nothing but it is label up. So move a comma 00 h, that means what? Accumulator is loaded with the value immediate value 0. Okay, and make LED off, means all the LEDs are off here. So after that, we have to connect here port 2. So we mention here port 2. Okay, if you connect here port 1, then you mention here port 1. So move P2 comma A means what? Whatever value present in the accumulator is copied into P2. Okay, so make LED off, that nothing but the because the port 2 get the value of 0, so all the connected LEDs are get off here. So a call delay, here some we have to wait for some time, so we take a delay program here. A call delay means these instructions jump the delay program, whichever delay you have to add in the program, that is 20 milliseconds or microseconds, okay, or second, whichever whatever time you added in the program, for that time the LEDs are off. Okay. After that, move a comma 0 FFH means what? The A is loaded with the value FFH to make the LED on, means here FFH is value at which the LED get on, and 00 is the value where LEDs get off. So FFH is value which is present in the A. Okay. Then we have to move it into the port 2. So we write here next instruction, move P2 comma A. So the FF value is copied into port 2. So all the LEDs are on here because the P2 gate value FFH. After that, again we call a delay because we have to glow LED for some time. Okay, so we again call the delay. A call is nothing but the absolute call. So these instructions jumped the delay program whichever present in the program. After that, a short jump UP means what? Short jump up. So again this instruction jump into that label. Again this program is start. Again A is loaded with 00 and all the LEDs are off for some time. Again A is loaded with FFH, then P2 is loaded with FFH, and all the LEDs are on. Okay, again we wait for some time. Again the cycle is repeats, on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, like that we can interface the LEDs with a 8051 microcontroller, and we can switch that LEDs for sometimes, okay, using the 8051 microcontroller. After that, draw the interfacing diagram to connect the 8 LEDs on port 2 and 8 switches on port 0. Means what, we have to connect all the switches, 8 switches to port 1. Means and write a C program. So here we don't here I don't give you the program, that is C program for this. We have to only here important is what, that is 8 LEDs on port 2 and 8 switches on port 1, which is interface with the 8051 microcontroller. Because here you don't ask any C program for theory exam. So here we make the interfacing diagram. So here we connect the 8051 microcontroller, and here the port 0 is present and here the port 2 is present. So we have to connect port 0 with 8 switches. So we connect the 8 switches. If you see here, these are the switches, okay, and for each switch we give the pull up registers. These are nothing but the all the pull up register, that is 8 pull up registers, which is connected to VCC, okay, for the limiting, current limiting. After that, here it is all the switches make a here ground, and here it is connected to VCC. After that, port 2 is connected with the LEDs. So 8 LEDs are connected against port 2 of each pin. If we give the program for this, so we have to write the program for switch also, and we have to write the program for LED, okay, for the LED. So here like this we can interface the LEDs and switches with the 8051 microcontroller. Okay, here if you see here, that is nothing but it is the crystal frequency generation, that is Xtal 1 and Xtal 2. After that, 5 volt is nothing but the VCC, and one pin is a ground is connected, okay, of the 8051 microcontroller. Like that we connect the 8051 microcontroller, okay, that is nothing but the 8 LEDs on one port, and 8 switches on the another port. So we can do like this. So like that we interface the 8 LEDs and 8 switches on the different ports of the 8051 microcontroller. After that, interfacing of relays with the 8051 microcontroller. A relay is an electrical or electromechanical switch which is perform on and off operations without any human interaction. That is nothing but it is therefore is connected to output pins of the microcontroller and used to turn on and off high power devices such as motors, after that transformers, then heaters, bulbs, antenna systems, etc. Thus, a relay takes a small power to turn on, but it can control a high power devices to switch on and off. Okay, to drive the relay with the 8051 microcontroller, that is nothing but the IC name, that is ULN 2003 and ULN 22803 driver is used. ULN 2003 driver has a 500 milliampere current sinking capacity for each output pin. Hence, 8051 microcontroller is an interface with a relay via ULN driver, which will not damage the microcontroller port pin. So, a relay is nothing but it is an electrical or electromechanical switch which perform the on and off operation without any manual, that is nothing but the human interaction. Okay, so here we here we see how we can interface the relays with the 8051 microcontroller. This is nothing but the relay. Okay, this is nothing but the relay, and here it is a driver, that is ULN 2803, or we can connect the ULN 2003 also. This is nothing but the it is used for to drive the relay. Okay, this is nothing and this is connected to here LED. If you see here, this is a bulb also. Okay, here it is nothing but it is connected to a bulb, that is it is a 12 volt, and after that it is the microcontroller, and one pin is used, that is a port 1.0, which is connected to this driver pin, and after that is relay. Okay, so like that we can draw the interfacing diagram like this, or if you see like this, you can draw the interfacing diagram. That is crystal frequency xtal1 and xtal2, that is those pins are used for the generation of the crystal frequency. After that, reset pin is used for resetting all the data which is present. Okay, and after that, ea pin, that is enable pin, we can use. After that, you can use the port 1.0 or you can use the port 2.0. That is nothing but you can use the port 1 also and port 2 also for the interfacing of the ULN driver. That is 8 pins at 8 input lines for the ULN driver, and 8 output lines are present. Okay, so here we give the VCC, that is 5 volt, and one pin is ground which is connected. After that, one common pin is also given here, and 8 output pins are there. And for out one pin, we connect the bulb or whatever, whichever load we have connected relay. Okay, so we connect the bulb here after the relay. After that, draw the interfacing diagram to interface the relay at a port 1.0 and opto isolator at a port 1.7. So on a port 1.0, we have to connect on that pin, we have to connect the relay, and on a port 1.7, we have to connect the opto isolator. Okay, opto isolator is nothing but here the opto isolator means what? One transmitter and one receiver is present in the opto isolator, that is 4N35. One is the transmitter and one is the receiver. So similar 8051 IC we have drawn first. After that, xtal1 and xtal2 frequency generator we add in the we show in the 8051 microcontroller. After that, reset pin, and after that, enable pin, and one pin is VCC connected and one pin is to ground. Okay, these are the common things. These 5 pins are common in all the interfacing. After that, we use the port 1.0 for the relay. So on a port pin 1.0, we connect the relay. Okay, if you see here, for a port pin we connect 1.0, that is nothing but the relay here. After that, we here the driver is that is 2n triple 4 times 2, that is NPN. Okay, this is the NPN transistor is used. And after that, on a 1.7 opto isolator is used. So port 1.7, on a port 1.7 we connect the opto isolator. So here 1K register is used. After that, here one opto isolator is used. After that, here also 1K connected, and it is give to the transistor. When transistor is on, then here it is give to the 1N4007. Okay, after that, here 5 volt VCC is given, and here relay is connected. Okay, so like that we can connect the we can draw the interfacing diagram for this port 10 opto isolator and relay. Optocoupler is also called as a opto isolator, that is a photocoupler and optical isolator. It is used to provide isolation between the two electrical circuits. That is, it is a electrical component which is used to transmit input signal by using the light energy signals, and it provides the electrical coupling between input and output through light waves. So its main purpose is to avoid the changing in a voltages at output side to appearing at input side. Higher voltage fluctuations may damage input side electrical components. The output of the optocoupler is given to the relay for a further operation, or for further operate the output of the relay. Okay, so this like this we see the interfacing diagram of the relay and opto isolator with the 8051 microcontroller, where opto isolator is nothing but the it provides the isolation between the two electronic circuits, two electrical circuits. Okay, so in the next video we will go for the LCD and LCD display. After that, a 7 segment display. Okay, thank you.